must be something somewhere. You can't throw a body out of a fast-moving train without leaving some kind of trace.
Miss Marple, if we linger here much longer, I feel certain we shall be apprehended.
Oh, nonsense. No one will give a couple of track layers a second glance.
I'm not altogether convinced our disguises are adequate.
A shoe, a bit of cloth, something.
I'll concede our timetable may have been out of date, but I'm quite sure the 7:15 is still running.
Very possibly.
But it could be most dangerous up here.
Undoubtedly.
Miss Marple! Miss Marple!
Yeah?
There you are. I think I heard something.
And I think I found something. Quickly. Consistent with something having been dumped from a train, wouldn't you say? If it was the body, it would roll down and finish up against this wall.
Then where is it?
That, Mr. Stringer, is the question.
Could be buried.
You'd need a pick or a shovel. No, this is hardly an ideal spot for disposing of a body. Unless... from her fur collar, I think. Mr. Stringer, will you kindly give me a leg up?
Really, Miss Marple,
Please, Mr. Stringer. No, no. Make a stirrup. Yes. Come on now. Careful. Are you ready?
Yes.
Interlock your fingers.
They are interlocked.
Oh. Well, are you ready?
Yeah.
Magnificent. Down.
What a frightful-looking man.
What a frightful-looking dog.
Miss Marple, prudence demands a retreat.
Mr. Stringer, I am convinced that the body is the other side of this wall.
But that's the Acklenthorpe Hall estate.
No. Perfect. Easy enough for someone to come down out of the house, recover the body, and dispose of it somewhere in the grounds.
Someone from the house? You mean one of the family?
Yes, or one of the servants, if they're lucky enough to have any. Servants. I wonder.
Miss Marple, whatever it is, no, no, no.
Mr. Stringer, we will withdraw. Temporarily. Good morning.
Good morning. I'm afraid there's nothing on my books, madam. Not so much as a mother's help.
I'm seeking a post, not offering one.
Pray be seated, do, my good woman. You need seek no more. You've come to the right place. How good to see the spirit of unselfish service is still with us. Now, let me see now. Yes, here's a perfect plum. Cheerful home for cheerful lady. Own suite, TV, radio, and the use of car. Tea in bed on Sundays, pension scheme.
Heaven forbid.
Oh, all right. Mrs. Forbes Alexbridge, setting up house near Monte Carlo. I won't have any foreigners, of course. Own gaming allowance.
And I don't approve of gambling.
Mrs. Hamilton Potts, the Dingley stud farm, you know. 7 children. Eldest 7.
Oh, no, thank you. Perhaps if I might have a quiet word with Mrs. Binster.
I am Mrs. Binster.
Oh, I see. Well, as a matter of fact, I wondered if there might be a position at Acklenthorpe Hall.
Acklenthorpe Hall?
Yes, Acklenthorpe Hall.
Oh, yes. I think I can accommodate you. Yes. There's always a vacancy there.